Happy Navratri to all. On this first day, Mata Shailaputri is worshipped, the daughter of mountain. Shail means extraordinary, the one who reaches the great heights like unshakable, magnificent mountains. Devi Ma is considered to be the Devi of root chakra and helps us to realize the Mooladhara Shakti within self. And the powerful gifts of Shailaputri Devi Ma is courage and strength. Let us pray to her and seek her blessings and the energies of strength and the energies of courage. Sit comfortably and practice the deep breathing. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. And with each inhalation, feel the energy of the courage, energy of the strength is getting inside your system. And while breathing out, express your gratitude to Devi Ma. And every time you breathe in, imagine your consciousness is rising from bottom of the spine and moving upward to the peak of the head. That is from your root chakra to your crown chakra. And every time you breathe out, express your gratitude. Practice this today and raise the level of consciousness. Jai Mata Di.